Hi Leos, welcome to your May 2020 reading, and please subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't already done that. And remember that this is a general reading, so take from it what you can and allow other things to pass. Timing is fluid and the roles can be reversed. So let's see what is coming up for Leos in the month of May 2020. All right. We have a Six of Swords, Eight of Swords, the Fool, Three of Cups, there's a Two of Wands, and we have a Two of Swords. So just give me a moment, Leo. I feel that you're ready to move on the past phases in your life right now, Leo, and maybe even move away and on from some people. Now, this could not or may not mean a physical distance, but you're ready to definitely go ahead in your life and not think about the past memories and people, something that you've been doing for some time now. So maybe there has been bitterness in your heart about a situation, about people, or there's someone's opinions, but you're ready to allow that to pass and give yourself a better opportunity to breathe emotionally, Leos. I also see that a lot of repairing has happened at the heart level for you with regards to some relationship or emotional discontent you'd been feeling in the past. And now I feel that you do want to go ahead, and it's safe for you to move ahead and entrust your feelings with this other person or those around you, Leos. I also feel that you're feeling very, very tired and bound, and you just want to go out and do your thing. If not much, just go out and take a walk or maybe go away and drive. However, if none of those things are possible, and I know that those things are not possible right now, you are going to take this time to reflect on your inner self for a while. I don't see this phase lasting for a long time, Leo. So make the most of it. And the first 2 weeks in the month of May, you're going to be doing this self reflection, and also could be feeling a bit down and out about certain things, the way they happened in your life, or the way you felt about someone, some things, or the way you executed some things in your life. You also need to be very, very watchful about your health, Leo. And I feel that you've been overdoing yourself or your bit for a while now, and you need to just take some time off, take a break. Otherwise, it's going to show on your health. Maybe just even sleep enough, that's good. And I feel that if you ask for help, you will get all the help from your loved ones around you, and they somewhere know that it is very much required for you to take some break or some time off the regular routine. I also feel some kind of benefits or joyful opportunities are coming your way. Now, even if you're not working, some great ideas could come from within you and give you ideas about what you need to do in future to get yourself going, or have a source of income. However, towards the second 2 weeks of the month, you need to be very, very careful, because all these ideas that you're getting in the month of May, in the beginning, you will need to keep them inside you, or you will need to work on them further in the month of May. And I see that you could be coming out with these ideas in the month of June or July. Let's see, let's get some more input. Wonderful, the card of the Magician. So once you have allowed this time to pass, the month of May, just keep developing your ideas further and further, but not putting them into action in the month of May. You would I'm so sorry, Leo. So you will see that in the month of June or July, you will have better opportunities to put these ideas into action. Yes, you're being asked to wait for a while before you can set foot on active grounds. I also see then you will be raring to go and just get you want to see results, because in the month of May you would have churned out this idea in your head so well that the moment you come out and put it into action, or you feel the moment you do that, it's just going to harvest a lot of good grains for you. So that looks like a wonderful thing to me, Leos. And probably the health issue is also coming up for you, um, so that you can just take time off from the routine work you have set yourself to. And when you take this time off, these ideas will take shape inside you. So just see how some kind of an adversity can turn into an opportunity. So the outcome is looking very good for you, Leos. So all right, please do watch this space for the fortnightly reading from 1st to 15th of May and 16th to 31st of May. Also, to like and give it a thumbs up if you find this reading helpful. To comment and let me know, Leos, how these energies are playing out in your life. So, if you listen to this reading once at the beginning to find out how the entire month is going to be for you, do remember to come back and listen to them in the middle and the end of the month, so you know what has already come to pass from the reading and what better opportunities await you, so you can make most of them, those opportunities in the month of May, and so on. So much love and luck to you all, Leos. Until we meet again, bye bye.